Hello everyone, I am Deepti Naik from first year CSC. I am going to talk about innovation of virtual reality in education. Virtual reality has brought about significant innovation in the field of education, transforming traditional learning methods and enhancing the overall learning experience. Here are some ways in which VR has been innovatively used in education. Immersive learning environments. VR allows students to immerse themselves in various educational environments that might be difficult to access. Hands-on training. Students can interact with virtual objects and manipulate them, giving a sense of touch and feel even in a digital environment. Language learning. Language acquisition can be enhanced through VR by placing students in immersive language environments. Collaborative learning. Multiple users can interact in the same VR environment, enabling collaborative projects and group activities, regardless of geographical distances. Personalized learning. VR systems can adapt to individual learning styles and paces by tracking a student's interactions and responses. By this, the system can adjust the content and difficulty level accordingly, ensuring a more personalized learning journey. Reducing material costs. In some cases, using VR can reduce the need for physical materials such as lab equipment, art supplies, and printed textbooks, leading to cost savings for educational institutions. Here is a prototype of VR headset. I conclude that the innovation of virtual reality in education, it's evident that the possibilities are limitless. From immersive field trips to interactive simulations, personalized learning to global connections, virtual reality is redefining the classroom experience and empowering learners to thrive in a rapidly changing world. Thank you.